Hello guys, I just went here. I just need to install version. And this is a custom. You need to custom this skin. Let me wait for once. Okay, done. Let's head out. Okay, let's open it. 5. What said I can't read this? I'll read. Better permission. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Okay, guys, it's now open the game. Let's see what's happening in the game. Somebody would play. If it's here update, let's delete it and let's see what's happening. This I found. No one will save yourself. Wow. What is that? Slenderman Legends. Okay. Oh yeah, I just installed. Okay, let's continue back. Okay, let me use my name. Okay. You can call me Ham. Okay, just need to like it. Okay, let's save. Okay, now I am Slenderman. I will win. Or I would. This is the door I need to wait. That's how that's something. There's no more randomly, no costume. This is the game quickly. Okay. So bye.